Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you are new. Today I'm in the kitchen again and I'll be showing you how to make Jamaican fish tea. So here I have my pumpkin, carrots and some ground provision in the pot to boil. I'll be listing everything on the screen. Now I'm going to place the fish to boil and I am using Dr. Fish. Remember to wash all fish and meat with vinegar or lime water before using to remove rawness and to also cleanse the meat. The fish is done cooking, so I'm going to remove them from the pot, cool, and remove as much bones as possible. This is the unseasoned fish water that the fish was boiled in. I'm going to strain and add to the boiling vegetables. So I'm straining to remove any bones that were boiled out in the water. Now I'm preparing my powdered soup mix and my seasonings to add to the soup or fish tea. So as you can see, I'm using Grace pumpkin flavored soup mix and Grace fish tea. So I'll also be adding my powdered seasonings to this and mixing out with some room temperature water. Using Maggi all-purpose and a combination of other seasonings. These are the natural seasonings that I'm using today. I'm using scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper and sweet pepper. This is what the fish looks like after removing as much bones as possible. So this is where I'm at now. I'm going to add the remaining ingredients and some more water and leave to boil until it is done cooking. It's going to take approximately 10 additional minutes to finish cooking. Know that. You tell me. This is the finished result. So this is my Jamaican fish tea. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click that bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope my video helped someone. Until next time, bye.